Well, it's August 8th, 2025, and I'm once again here in Plains, Georgia with my father, Paul, and I'm thrilled to be signing copies of my book, Presidential Grave Hunter, One Kid's Quest to Visit the Tombs of Every President and Vice President. It is currently for sale here at the Jimmy Carter National Historical Park in Plains, and they've bought a number of copies, and I'm going to sign them here, so they'll be for sale. So this is the Visitor Center bookstore that was once Jimmy and Rosalynn Carter's high school here in Plains. So please support the National Park Service, the Friends of Jimmy Carter, by buying this book here. So I gotta get signed. That wasn't stilted at all.
Maybe you should, right, maybe you should take a break and squeeze a stress peanut. So there you go.
I'm gonna need it.
Loosen up. All right. Why don't you sign your actual name and not an alias this time?
Just Kurt.
There's the beer shells. That's where it's gonna be going.
Yeah. Well, as I used to say, we're live here in Plains, Georgia. It's Friday, August 8th, 2025, and I'm here with my father, Paul, and a fan of my book, who's also a presidential enthusiast, Eddie Gonzalez.
Yeah, see the shirt?
Could see the shirt. We were supposed to meet up with our mutual friend TJ Fallon and his son Henry, but TJ bailed on us.
It's a shame. It's a shame.
TJ got burned out and literally sunburned, but we're here to pay our respects, visit the gravesite of Jimmy and Rosalynn Carter, just across from their home here in Plains, Georgia. Jimmy Carter died December 29th at age 100. Rosalynn Carter died a year before, November 2023. She was 96, I believe, and we're here to pay our respects. So this is me getting my 40th presidential gravesite. And what is
40th?
40 for you, and 40th for my dad as well. So let's walk along here.
I don't know, there may be an asterisk next to one of mine. I went to the top of the steps, the one, and then go along.
I don't have any questions at the high school, feel free to ask.
So I feel like I have to go back.
So Eddie didn't get inside the McKinley tomb in Canton, Ohio thing, but for the record, that's closer than TJ initially got to Harry S. Truman's gravesite. So I always give him, he was always counting that he had been to Truman's. I was like, you were outside the building, but the difference is, to me, is that the tomb is the entirety of that building, right, whereas
I even tried to turn the locked doorknob, but it was locked.
And you could look in and see the sarcophagus.
Right.
Oh wait, no, they had they had the big doors closed over the glass doors. But the thing is with TJ, it's like the library. It's like there's all these exhibits. He couldn't look at the actual gravesite, so I always tried him. It's like you weren't that. Now he's done it.
Right. But I will go back.
Yeah.
And finish the job.
Yeah. Here they are.
Oh wow, that's it. Yep, brand new. Less than a month open to the public.
Right, they opened on, I believe it was July 11th, and you can still see the grass where the Carters, where President Carter was buried. All right,
Both of them?
yeah, okay. Yeah, take advantage of this, Eddie. All right, because we're gonna be quick.
You going? Go ahead.
All right. Here, very close up at the grave of Jimmy and Rosalynn Carter, I'm leaving my presidential grave hunter coin. Thank you, President Carter. Thank you, Mrs. Carter. This is the Carter's mailbox. Ooh. Oop. And this is their house, where they lived since the 1960s. Woodland Drive. So someday this will be open to National Park Service visitors, but not right now. So this is the home where both of the Carters passed away in, again, November 2023 and December 2024. Here's a better shot of the house through those front doors here in Plains, Georgia.
Introduce yourself, Phil.
What do you? My name is Philip Curlin. Philip with one L. I come from a poor family. This is the Plains Trading Post in Plains, Georgia. We're the largest retail political memorabilia retailer in the United States. We start with Millard Fillmore and Lincoln and go up. Everything is original, and our favorite candidate is whoever you like. But what do you call a stuffed bear without teeth? A gummy bear. What do you call a smart blonde? A golden retriever. What did the Mexican fireman name his twin sons? Jose and Jose B. What do you call three rabbits that walk backwards? Receding hairline. What do you call this gentleman that's filming me? Trouble.
Thank you, Phil.
Hello. Here in Plains, Georgia. You got a collar.
I guess it's not Farrell. Unless I look at the name on the collar and it says Farrell.
You got me.
How you doing? You want a selfie with Eddie? You want a selfie? Let me fix your hair. Oh, you like that? You like that? Huh? Oh, yeah. You wish I had some cat snacks.
No.
You know what? It's like I haven't had a cat
Hi.
since I was a kid. I always used to have dogs.
Hi.
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 Maybe
Very cute. Oh. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the love. Here in Plains, Georgia. Is your name Rosalynn?
Did you know President Carter?
Did you know President Carter?
Did you ever go noodling with President Carter?
Yeah, but Plains. Right. We got to go to the Billy Carter station. I got the keys, and you just walked between my legs. Okay. Oh no, it's Final Destination 2 time here in Plains, Georgia. Just near the Billy Carter service station. All right, resuming the action here in Plains, Georgia. We're at the Billy Carter service station. We just met Billy Carter's daughter, Kim Fuller, of the Friends of Jimmy Carter. She actually gave me the keys right now to access her father's service station. It might already be unlocked, but we, based on our previous experience 12 years ago, it was locked, so we went to go ask for it to be unlocked. She said it should be open, so we'll see. So this is right across from the train depot that was his brother Jimmy's presidential headquarters in 1976. It's open. No need for the keys. If you could hear that, no need for the keys. This is how my dad parks, by the way.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some more.
This is the church where the Carters were married in July 1946. This is also, I believe, where Jimmy asked Rosalynn out on a date for the first time. It's here on Church Street, believe it or not, Plains Methodist Church. No longer Unitarian, I guess. They've taped over the sign. That's all for now from Plains, Georgia.